the real demo. So I was in the small data workshop this week run by Becca, who did a fantastic job. And what we did is we set up a new connection in Omni, set up our first topic, and then used AI to query those topics. And I found it to be pretty confusing to, after you set up the connection, actually get into the topic and start querying. So what I have here is a sample connection on Mother Duck on my account. I'm going to go add a new connection on Mother Duck with sample data, and then I need to drop in my token down here. So it's pretty easy to add a connection, but then to get from here to actually querying was a bit difficult. And it sounds like this might be easier with some of Marf's ongoing work. But you click explore and you're there's nothing here to explore. You have to click the browse all views. There's still nothing here to explore. So then you have to click into schema. And then once you're in here, you could make one of these things a topic. So as someone who doesn't add connections very often, this is pretty confusing to me. So I thought, can we make this better with AI? And so I added this is all proof of concept, disclaimer, I added this new button that will look at your schema and just basically create a topic and try to create some joins for you in your model, and then dump you out into new analysis for that topic. So you can see here, it dumped me out into a workbook. I have a topic here, and I immediately get shown the Ask AI button. So I can say, ask how many cab rides total, and then I can run that query. And it's gonna, after a second, it's gonna select that topic and give me a count. So yeah, just proof of concept of making it easier to go from connection directly into getting your first piece of data back and doing some of that initial topic modeling with AI.
This is pretty sick, dude. I'm curious. I think it was even Johnny or Steven back at Looker. I remember, I think one of you were saying that like maybe we could infer what a model should look like or explores based on query history from a warehouse.
Mhm.
I almost wonder if like a customer could say like, hey, here's our query history, make topics and relationships. This is super interesting.
Yeah, I think that would be a great next step, right? What it's doing right now is just looking at the schemas and then basing it on your prompt to try and make the best topic for you. So in this case, it made this NYC taxi trips topic. But yeah, something like query history would be a great piece of info to plug in.